Well, party people in the place to be, back here with the Mavic 4 Pro, and like Job in the Bible, the thing I have feared has came upon me. So we're gonna open this bad boy up, and as you see, it does everything it's supposed to do. Got a screen record going, everything looks okay. Preparing to take off. Looking for satellites. And bam, there it goes. Got us a good old-fashioned gimbal era. And I've had this before on this particular drone. It was the first time I tried out the ND filters. I thought that maybe the ND filters were a little bit heavy on the gimbal, and that's why it was giving me a gimbal error. So I took the filters, the ND filter off. We started the drone, and bam, the gimbal error went away, and I hadn't had that for the past 4 months. Well, a week ago, doing a night flight for the Comel Fair, you might have seen the video, and this just popped up and this happened. It was a night flight, so it didn't have any ND filters on. I've reset everything, I did everything, and because I'm in the US, I can't just send this bad boy back to DJI, so I reached out to the buyer that I bought it from on eBay, and they said that they will send me a FedEx label so I can send it back to them, and then they'll send it back to DJI. So I wanted to make this video to see how long this process takes and to see if I can actually get this gimbal error corrected, because to me it just seems like something needs to be reset, because as you saw when I turned the drone on, the gimbal is moving. It's not like the gimbal is stuck, it's just not talking to the remote. So wish me luck. If anybody else has this problem, let me know, and if you have went through it and you found a way to solve it, and if you're in the US and you know somebody, if you know somewhere I can send it to in the US, comment down below. I need y'all to watch this video, so if anybody has this problem, we can get it solved, we can get taken care of. So that's all I got for you today. But once again, it's your boy, the Drone Dreamer, aka your Uncle Rico. I need y'all help on this one. Till the next episode, people. Peace.